Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a glow effect only for a certain word in your text on CapCut. So here, you just need to prepare the text first. Okay, I've already added the text. Then you can just click on the text and go to style and change the font into your favorite one. In this case, I'm going to use this Montserrat font. Okay, and after that, block or select the word, okay, the word that you want to highlight, and go to style, and in here on the text, choose the color that you want. I'm going to choose red, like this. And then after that, click on the glow and select the first glow here. Okay, now select the glow color the same as the text, like this, and adjust the intensity 22, and the range 50. Okay, like this. Now go to shadow and choose the same color, and then adjust the opacity and blur to 100, then the distance 0. Now click on check icon and the text will go like this. And if you have more text like this, you can just repeat the steps that I did before. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.